Sleek ovens are thoughtfully designed for customers who love to explore their culinary skills through a variety of mouth-watering dishes. Harry Plus is a fully loaded oven with a 65-litre capacity, 9 cooking functions, control knobs, and rotisserie option to name a few. This enables the customer to perform cooking, baking, roasting, and grilling a lot of recipes for a complete platter. The front glass portion of the oven is equipped with control knobs. You can easily select the cooking temperature with the first knob, set cooking functions with the second, and the third knob can be used to set the time duration. This is the top heating element of the oven, while the other two elements are concealed. You can use a combination of these heating elements to cook a plethora of recipes. With the stainless steel grill tray baking, you can bake cookies, cake, dal bati, and other similar recipes. It can be placed in the oven cavity at 5 different levels to adjust height. This is a multi-purpose baking tray. It can be used both for baking recipes and as a protective tray. The rotisserie rod can be fixed on one side, while the other side should be hung using the hook. The 2 forks will hold the food over the rod. Let us understand how this product functions. Preheating. It is mandatory before cooking any recipe to have equal temperature across all corners. Post preheating, place the food items inside the oven cavity and select time, temperature, and the cooking program. This oven has 9 cooking functions. Cooking function 1. Get grill cooking function with rotisserie and center fan on. Ideal for barbecue recipes, veg and non-veg. Cooking function 2. Enabled with upper heating and bottom heating elements, this function ensures the double-side browning of the recipe. Cooking function 3. This cooking function switches the center fan on along with the center heating element. This function is ideal for roasting and base browning. Cooking function 4. In this cooking function, the center fan, center heating element, and bottom heating element will be switched on. This function is ideal for recipes that require double-side browning with a crispy texture. Cooking function 5. Get the top grill cooking function with center fan on, ideal for getting a grilled juicy center with a browning effect on surface. Cooking function 6. This cooking function switches the top grill cooking function on, ideal for grilling and roasting. Cooking function 7. Switches the upper heating element, bottom heating element, and center fan on. This function is for baking with a soft and spongy feel to the recipe. Cooking function 8. Enables the top grill cooking function, center heating and bottom heating element. Ideal for roasting and browning from outside. Cooking function 9. This cooking function switches the center fan on. Take any recipe from deep fridge and place it directly in the oven to bring it to room temperature.